Welcome to English Anyway, where we learn English, no pressure, no perfection.
Hi, I'm Benji.
Benji, you are looking at the kitchen like it has bad news.
It does have bad news.
What happened?
The fridge is empty.
That is a very useful sentence. The fridge is empty.
Fridge means refrigerator, right?
Yes, fridge is the short, everyday word. Most people say fridge.
Okay, the fridge is empty. Sad sentence.
Very sad, but very clear.
I open it and there is nothing.
That is another good sentence. Let's make it natural. There is nothing in the fridge.
There's nothing in the fridge.
Good. You can use there is when you talk about one thing or one situation.
There is one old lemon.
Okay, then not nothing, but maybe nothing useful.
Right. There is nothing useful in the fridge.
Nice. That sounds natural and a little funny.
So what do I say next? I am hungry.
If the fridge is empty and you need food, say this. I need to buy some groceries.
Groceries. Food from the supermarket.
Yes, the word groceries means food and things you buy for home, like milk, eggs, bread, and rice.
I need to buy some groceries. That sounds adult.
It is adult English. Not exciting, but very useful.
I can buy milk, eggs, and bread.
Good. Before you go, you can make a simple list. I need milk, eggs, and bread.
I need milk, eggs, and bread, and snacks.
Of course, a very serious food group.
Very serious.
Now, if someone asks why you are going out, connect the idea.
Because fridge empty?
Close. Say it as a full sentence. The fridge is empty, so I need to buy some groceries.
The fridge is empty, so I need to buy some groceries.
Great. That one sentence explains the problem and the plan.
Problem, plan. I like that, but maybe I still have something.
Good thinking. When the fridge is almost empty, we can say what is still there. I still have some rice.
I still have some rice. Not dinner, but a start.
Exactly. And if one thing is finished, say this. We are out of milk.
We are out of milk. That means no milk left.
Yes, out of milk means the milk is gone.
So I can say we are out of eggs too.
Yes, and now you have a reason to make a list. Let me make a shopping list.
Let me make a shopping list. That is safer than guessing.
Very true. A list saves you from coming home with only snacks.
That sounds like something I would do.
I know, that is why we need the list. Let's hear the useful sentences slowly. Everyone listening, just listen first. The fridge is empty. There is nothing in the fridge. I need to buy some groceries. I need milk, eggs, and bread. The fridge is empty, so I need to buy some groceries. We are out of milk. Let me make a shopping list.
Okay, I can use this before dinner.
Yes, now let's practice out loud. Benji, this is for you and for everyone listening. Practice together with us.
The fridge is empty. There is nothing in the fridge. I need to buy some groceries. I need milk, eggs, and bread. The fridge is empty, so I need to buy some groceries. We are out of milk. Let me make a shopping list.
Good. Now let's hear it in a real kitchen conversation. Why are you looking in the fridge again?
Because I am hungry.
Is there anything in there?
Not really. The fridge is empty.
Do you want to go to the supermarket?
Yes, I need to buy some groceries.
What do you need?
I need milk, eggs, bread, and maybe snacks.
Do you want to make a shopping list?
Yes, let me make a shopping list.
Maybe snacks?
Okay, definitely snacks.
Today we built a real answer from one empty fridge.
I can say the problem and I can say the plan.
Exactly. Simple English, but it helps you move through the day. Before we go, we have one question for everyone listening. What do you need to buy this week? Milk, eggs, fruit, rice, or something else?
Write one simple sentence in the comments. We would love to read it and cheer for you.
Keep learning English any way you want, and I'll catch you in the next one.